on his drive home, he suddenly falls into the wheel and dies in a fire car wreck. I talked about him with
Now it hasn't really gotten